Good afternoon. Welcome to Craft Corner. My name is Caroline Dawson. I'm a park aide at Shasta State Historic Park, and today we'll be making Popsicle Stick California Poppies. Before we begin, we're going to tell you here's some brief history of poppy. On March 2nd, 1903, the California poppy became the official state flower of California. The plant's bright orange flowers are an unmatched symbol of the Golden State, perhaps viewed as a floral representation of the fields of gold sought during the gold rush. The California poppy is commonly seen blooming in the spring and summer along country roads and freeways throughout much of the state, making this plant a highly recognizable symbol of California. Many people love the brilliant golden blossoms and delicate, frilly, fern-like blue-green foliage of the California poppy. The California poppy is a native to California, Baja California and Oregon. It now ranges from Washington to Baja California, also Nevada, Arizona, and New Mexico. On December 12, 1890, the California State Floral Society voted to select a state flower. The nominees were the California poppy, the Matilaha poppy, and the Mariposa lily. After almost 13 years, the California legislature adopted the golden poppy as the official state flower on March 2nd, 1903. 70 years later, in 1973, they designated April 6th of each year as California Poppy Day. The California poppy is easy to grow. There's many different colors to choose from. You can scatter seeds in the fall where you would like them to bloom in the spring. After your first year's growth, the poppies will continue to come back year after year and even more populated. Now that you know about the California poppy, we're going to make one. And I have my supplies here in front of me. And we have some streamer, like tissue paper, yarn, scissors, my popsicle sticks, and glue. So the first thing you're going to do is take a stick and the glue, and I'm going to put some glue on my stick, like so. Take my streamer and put it on the stick, and you want to leave a portion of the paper above the stick. And I'm going to wrap that part, and then what you're going to do is start looping. Take your paper and start looping. And when you're going to make sure you hold the bottom of the paper to the stick, the bottom of the paper. And then again, I'm going to loop and turn, holding. Holding, and just keep turning and looping. And you can make it as small or big as you'd like. Again, you can get different colors. There's also red poppies, so you could get red streamer. And I'm turning. Okay, so now I'm going to take my yarn and keep some loose because we're going to want to tie a knot. I'll hold it, and I'm going to start winding my yarn around to hold down the paper. Again, now I can tie my knot. So I'm going to double tie it. Okay. There we go. Your own California poppy on a popsicle stick. Well, that wraps it up for today for this craft corner. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to look for us on social media. Bye-bye.